Oh, it's the Crappy Gardener. Oh, yes, the Crappy Gardener. Oh, my, the Crappy Gardener. Crappy Gardener show. I'm just taking some time out from my waiting action cooking supper to show you something interesting. If you can see hidden among there, among the hostas, is the foxglove. And when I moved in, I didn't know what it was. It's just lucky I didn't pull it out. Anyway, it bloomed. I went, oh my God. I've never had that. That's a real, I guess, cottage garden or real high-level gardening plant. So I'm feeling kind of special right now, but not quite the top. I actually have a 3-level gardening system or gardening grading system, and right now I'm at junior farmer, which is where I usually am. There are 3 grades. There's sub junior farmer, junior farmer, and master gardener. And the one time that I went down to sub junior farmer, and it's probably why I'm not a real fan of the modern heucheras. I did buy some in the other home, and I put it in and it thrived. And I'll tell you, I was the queen of heuchera. I went around the neighborhood calling myself the queen of heuchera. Actually, I was the queen of heuchera, and then I was the queen of heuchera. Anyway, next year, they all plutzed. And I was plunged into sub-junior farmer for a very, very long time. So I'm not a fan of the hard to grow, or I don't know. I don't think they last, but that's my opinion. Anyway, the one time I was a master gardener was my lawn collapsed. I had a lot of grubs, and it was like late summer, and boom, it collapsed. And I mean, like in like a couple of days. I don't know, they were working overtime, chewing away at the roots. Anyway, I ran out, got some quick grass, got some quick soil, and 2 weeks later I had like a full lawn, and I said, wow, okay, you're a master gardener for the time being. While we're here, I'll show you that rambling rose. It's starting to bloom. I'm really happy with it. There, it's getting a little fried. It's not showing up as red as it usually, or as I see it. Maybe I have to adjust my filters or whatever you do. I mean, that's just high-level video making, which I'm not sure I'm quite ready for. But this is what I want to do with this is get it established, and I want to get one of those white trellises or pergolas or whatever they're called, you know, and have it ramble all over that. And there's one more thing that I want to show. Oh, by the way, I'd like to thank whoever is my subscriber. That was a surprise, because really this is just a lark and for family, and somebody subscribed to my channel. It's like, thank you. I'm so humbled. You're a real sweetie. Anyway, here are the pinks. They got rained on last night. We had more rain, but they're gorgeous. And they were being mowed down for 2 years, and here they are. So anyway, I'm going to, like I say, put down some chips. See if I can get the weeds under control. Anyway, just waiting for the Campbell mushroom soup concoction to bubble up. Happy crappy gardening.